So we're here at Berrys Weir, and it's a great opportunity for me to come down while they're doing monitoring on this fishway here. For so long, fish got trapped beneath it, and you can see this magnificent fishway. This is the proof in the pudding right now. In 2020, we started our Bremer River Cod recovery project, and we've been stocking fingerlings upstream. And obviously this was a fingerling a few years ago, 2, 3, 4 years ago, 520 mil long, and it's actually come back up through the fishway and been caught, part of the regular monitoring that's done. Great to see the commitment through on that. And not only that, this magnificent cod right here, we've also got, there's a dozen or so beautiful Australian bass been monitored in the coming up through the fishway as well. So that's given access to all of these recreational fish and endangered fish like this cod, giving them access to the upper part of the catchment. Fantastic. We should be seeing more of that on all of our barriers in through our, across all of our waterways in across all of Queensland, not just southeast Queensland, across all our waterways. So we're going to go over and have a look at a lot of the Australian bass that are still in the trap. Really exciting. Let's go and have a look. You get the camera in there. So how good is this? Look at all those. They're all legal sized bass. Some boys and girls in there, and they're all migrating up. That's just a few hours of migration up through this fishway on this barrier where once fish could never get through. So from a wreck fishing perspective, this is fantastic. And they'll also be picking up those juveniles that are going to be moving up after the spawning season. So they're just the adults that have probably spawned, and the juveniles, the larvae and the juveniles will be heading back upstream soon. Fantastic.